So we're starting our first column of the originals, and you can see the original right here, the base, and then the tops like that, and then we have this design. So we're doing that for over there, but we need to match this. So I've started the column here, marked it up. I think it was 5 50 inches or something like that. It's not the exact same size edge, but it's pretty close. And then we have a hollow, but what I'm going to do is put two 2x4s in here. It turns out it's about a 4x4. So we're going to fill the hollow up and nail it to add extra support. And right now I'm just cutting them, offsetting the joints. You can see, well, you can see one joint over here, and then on the other side it varies. So we're going to keep building these, and then we need to do the 2 corners and get this one in. So we need 3 of these.